With the Christmas season just around the corner, there's this incredible buzz in the air, isn't there? The twinkling lights, the festive music, the smell of gingerbread. It's a time of magic and wonder. But this year, I feel something different. It's not just about the traditions we all know and love. It feels like a season of profound change, a time for new beginnings, and dare I say it, new revelations. Think about it. The end of the year always brings a sense of reflection. We look back at what we've accomplished, the challenges we've faced, and the lessons we've learned. It's a natural time to take stock. But this Christmas feels like it's supercharged with a unique energy. It's as if the universe is nudging us to look deeper, not just at the past year, but at our entire lives. Have you ever had one of those moments where a light bulb just goes on in your head? An aha moment that changes everything? That's the kind of energy I'm talking about. I believe this holiday season is ripe for these personal breakthroughs. It's a chance to finally understand something about yourself that's been just out of reach, or to see a path forward that was hidden before. So, what could these revelations be about? For some, it might be about relationships. Christmas is a time when we connect with family and friends, and these interactions can often bring clarity. You might realize the importance of mending a broken bond, or you might find the courage to let go of a connection that no longer serves you. It is a time to appreciate the people who truly lift you up, and to understand the dynamics of your personal circle in a new light. For others, the revelation could be about their career or life purpose. The quiet moments of the holiday season, away from the daily grind, can provide the mental space to ask those big questions. What truly makes me happy? Am I on the right path? This Christmas could be the time you finally get the answer. Maybe you'll discover a hidden talent you want to pursue, or you'll devise a plan to turn a passion project into something more. The universe is whispering, and all we have to do is listen. And then there are the spiritual revelations. Regardless of your beliefs, this time of year has a powerful spiritual undercurrent. It's a celebration of light in the darkness, of hope and renewal. This might be the season you connect with your inner self on a deeper level. Perhaps through meditation, quiet contemplation, or simply spending time in nature. You might gain a new perspective on life, death, and your place in the grand scheme of things. These are the kinds of insights that don't just change your day. They can change your entire outlook on life. But how do we open ourselves up to these revelations? They don't just fall out of the sky. We have to create the right conditions. First, it's about being present. It's so easy to get caught up in the chaos of Christmas, the shopping, the planning, the parties. But if we're constantly rushing, we miss the subtle signs and messages the universe is sending us. Try to carve out moments of stillness each day. Put down your phone, turn off the TV, and just breathe, notice the world around you. Another key is to embrace curiosity. Approach this season like a child. Be open to new experiences, new ideas, and new people. Ask questions. Challenge your own assumptions. When you're curious, you're not looking for confirmation of what you already believe. You're looking for genuine discovery. This mindset is a magnet for revelations. Journaling can also be an incredibly powerful tool. Write down your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, even the strange coincidences you notice. The act of writing helps to clarify your thinking and can reveal patterns and insights you wouldn't have noticed otherwise. Look back at your entries at the end of the season. You might be surprised by the story they tell and the wisdom they contain. Let's also talk about gratitude. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This positive frequency makes you more receptive to blessings and breakthroughs. Every day, think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. This small habit can dramatically change your perspective and open your heart to new revelations. And remember, revelations aren't always grand, earth-shattering events. Sometimes they are small, quiet shifts in perception. It could be the realization that you don't need to be perfect to be loved, or the understanding that true strength lies in vulnerability. These small epiphanies are just as transformative. They are the building blocks of a more authentic and fulfilling life. This Christmas, let's make a pact. Let's not just go through the motions. Let's engage with the season on a deeper level. Let's look for the magic not just under the tree, but within ourselves. Let's be open to the new revelations that are waiting for us. So as you hang the ornaments, wrap the gifts, and share meals with loved ones, keep your heart and mind open. Pay attention to the synchronicities. Listen to your intuition. What is this Christmas trying to teach you? What new truth is ready to be revealed? I truly believe this can be a turning point for many of us. A time when we shed old skins and step into a brighter, more authentic version of ourselves. The energy is here. The potential is here. The only question is, are you ready to receive it? Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. As Christmas draws near, the world grows louder, but God often speaks in the quiet. This season is not only about remembering Christ's first coming, but preparing our hearts for what He is still revealing today. Revelation doesn't always arrive with thunder. Sometimes it comes as conviction, sometimes as clarity, sometimes as a gentle nudge calling us back to truth. Scripture calls us to watch, pray, and discern, not to fear the times, but to be faithful in them. So as you celebrate, pause for a moment. Ask God what He is revealing to you this Christmas. What needs to be restored? What needs to be surrendered? What truth is He bringing to light? Because Christmas isn't just a moment in history. It's a reminder that God still enters the world, still speaks, and still transforms hearts. If this message resonated with you, stay connected here on the Tanakh, where we seek truth, scripture, and spiritual clarity together. Before you go, share in the comments. What is God revealing to you this season? May your Christmas be filled not only with joy, but with truth, light, and renewed faith. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever had a life-changing revelation during the holidays? What are you hoping to discover this Christmas? Let's continue this conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, have a beautiful and insightful holiday season. Bye for now.